Innovative custom pools faced a unique and daunting task, constructing a negative edge pool on a mountainside lot with nearly non-existent access, making the use of heavy equipment impossible. We had to pump concrete from a lower elevation 50 feet below the swimming pool elevation. This presented a problem due to the hoses clogging because of gravity-induced segregation and air entrapment. At Innovative Custom Pools, we specialize in tackling the kind of complex projects that most contractors simply can't handle. Prior to starting the project, we had to move the existing advanced draining system as it was in the way of their swimming pool area. Additionally, a resurvey of the area was required to draft the new grading and drainage report as the existing G&D was not sufficient for the permit. We did a detailed surveyed topographical map to account for the grade changes, access constraints, and proper water management. We had to do a KD layout for the new G&D in order to obtain the permit. Voila! The ADS has been moved and approved. Now we can start construction. Typical pools normally get excavated with a backhoe or track hoe. We had to use formwork as we were building on bedrock and used air hammers to excavate to get the correct elevation. Needless to say, our steel schedule was insane. The steel schedule for the trough was also designed to help with retention, and the negative edge wall was constructed with a double mat with 4 inches on center vertical rebar. We have enough steel in this pool not only to retain the pool from moving, but also for the mountain behind us. Joke, as you can see, I don't think we have to be too concerned about structural strength, durability, and resistance. The external forces, the steel schedule for pools are normally 12 inches on center, with shotcrete being placed 8 inches in the coves and stress areas with 6 inches on the walls and floor with a 12-inch bond beam. This pool has a double mat of steel 6 inches on center horizontal and 4 inches on center vertical without any bond beam, as we were shooting the pool at 12 inches thick on all the walls. Because of the elevation, we had a few hoses clogged due to the gravity, and not because of mixed design or any priming. It was just a very difficult situation, but we managed to overcome it after the shotcrete. We excavated footings next to the shotcrete walls to build CMU with number 4 rebar, grouted solid, and pumped concrete for the decking. This is an aerial view to show the terrain and pool layout. Concrete trucks had to back up a very narrow private road to get to this location to do the shotcrete and pumping concrete for decking concrete in place for the decking. We used white marble sandblasted for the decking. Due to the terrain limitations, we could only go 4 feet wide on the decking. The waterline tile consisted of mosaic glass, stone and porcelain. Here we are deciding how to cut it. More fun stuff excavating for the staircase and demoing some walls. After the staircase was formed up, we pumped concrete, as it was the most economical way to go. General overview of the trough area. Negative edge wall, which is 16 feet high, and the staircase. Steel railing for a minimalist and open look, which also provides high tensile strength and durability. 316 marine grade steel. Powder-coated steel posts with cable on an elevated deck. Testing the fireballs. We will provide a follow-up video with much more detail and drone shots to show all the lights and all features working.